Hello guys, so this is the continuation of the last video, right? So we simply added some products in our store and packed with the description, right? So for pricing we'll be mentioning this as like 14.99. so guys, this is one of the trick where you can get sales, and even you can see in eBay, Amazon websites, especially in eBay, people they used to list in this point prices. So it's like giving some discounts, so people will buy that, and people are used to it more than that. So you can add a ribbon also, right? Sorry, first you make sure you have to save this, if not you will be losing everything, right? So you can add or edit a ribbon, like ribbon in the sense like sale or something, right? So you have to upgrade for that. So to venture business for this purpose, I'm not going to explain you all everything. So in future we'll be explaining you on how to do that, right? So that's how you can add a product, right? So add a description and name and weight or SKU and pricing. So in a separate video we'll be explaining attributes, options and files, and shipping and pickup, SEO, right? So this is the most important thing, right? So this is how your page will be visible in search results, right? So someone is going to Google and or any other browser, and they are typing ergonomic wired gaming mouse, right? So if you are the quality of the product, right, quality of the image and everything is perfect, in a sense it will rank high and definitely you will get sales. So guys, you can see here, this is one of the proof where it is search engine optimized. So today you can see how I proved you this is search engine friendly, because many other YouTubers they do not recommend ecwid for some reasons. I think I don't know their reasons why they are criticizing ecwid, but anyhow guys, it's super easy to sell in ecwid, and also the related products and the buy now button, right? So we'll be learning about that in another video. Hope you all guys understood everything, and if you have any questions or any other doubts, please make sure to comment, right? And also guys, make sure to subscribe, like and share, because we need your support to take this channel to the next level. Also guys, comment about your ideas and opinions on the voice, right? On the voice I talk, right? So take it serious, we'll do a good job. Have a nice day.